These are businesses I extracted from Google Maps within 1 minute, right? So you are going to get the business name, you are going to get the address, the category, you are going to get the website, and also phone numbers and other relevant data, right? And I'm going to show you how to do this in this video. So it is difficult to manually search for businesses to sell your services or product to them, right? So in this video, the tool I'm going to use is going to help you to extract more than 300 business data, right, within just 1 minute, and it's going to be done automatically. Welcome to Smartivate AI. On this channel, we create lessons relating to business marketing and using the power of AI to grow your business, right? So now, first of all, let's visit this website, Coreclaw.com, right? So I'll leave the link of this website at the description and also at the first comment. Just click on it and you'll be redirected to this wonderful page, right? And we can do this for free, right? So what we are going to do now is we are going to click on Start Free Scripting. And now we need to create an account with our Google account or maybe GitHub account, right? Or you can just go to sign up and use your normal email, right? So I'm just going to enter my email here and the password, right? Just click submit. Make sure you have checked this, right? And click submit. No thanks. So now we have been able to create an account, right? So we have $3 balance to extract to use this platform, right? And so we are going to extract businesses from Google Maps. So what we are going to do now is we are going to click on workers, and now we are going to click on go to worker store, right? And this is Google Maps B2B list generation scraper, right? So that is Google Map scraper, right? I'm just going to click on that, right? And now we need to do search, right? So first of all, we need to enter the location we want the businesses from, right? And so I'm going to just leave it at New York, right? You can just omit the country if you want, right? Or you can just enter anything like Florida, any country at all, right? Any city or state, right? You can just leave it like that. Then the next thing is to enter your keyword. So which business model are you looking for? Let's say I'm looking for plumbers. So I'm just going to enter plumber over here, right? So I'm looking for plumbing companies, right, or businesses. I'm going to leave the language English and the number of results I want. So now I'm going to just enter 300 for now. So I'm going to leave the fetch reviews false, right? So you can turn it on if you want to find the reviews of all the businesses, right? I'm going to leave it false and I'm going to leave this at default 5, right? And that is all. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on save and start work, right? So you can see saved successfully and it is running. So we are going to see the result right here within a short period of time. And you can see this is the duration. So we are going to check how long it's going to take to extract 300 business data from Google Maps. And now it is done. I'm going to click submit, satisfied. I'm going to close this. So now these are all businesses that we got, right? So I'm going to click on all fields from this section, right? So you can see we have data here. So we have the title of the business, the business name. We have website, we have phone numbers, right? So that is it. So what I'm going to do is that make sure all fields are selected and now click on export. And now I'm going to select CSV just to open with Microsoft Excel, right? I'm going to click on export. And now it has been downloaded, right? Now you can check the duration was 40 seconds, right? So just check and see. So I'm going to click on open to open the document. These are the data we got from the scraper within just 40 seconds. So within 40 seconds, you have been able to gather 130 businesses, even though we entered 300, but the location that we selected and the businesses that we got from there were not up to 300 businesses. So we had 130 businesses, and this is really amazing, right? So yes, and let me just refresh the page and let me show you something. Now, looking at this, you can see the balance I have is 2.61. So you can see I have more balance to extract more data, right? So let's say if you exhaust your balance, you can just click on top up over here, right? And this is their plan. So we have the launch plans for just $9 for 1 month. With only $9, you can extract 10,000 business data or 10,000 data from Coreclaw, right? When you pay $39 per month, you can extract 50,000 data within 1 month, right? And 89 for 148,000 data, and 199 per month, you can extract 221,000 data, right? And when you have this huge data, tell me if you cannot get better results from your outreach, right? Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment at the comment section, right? Those who want to learn how to create an SMTP server, I have a course that will teach you how to create an SMTP server that can send 20k of emails per day. I'll leave the link at the description, also at the first comment, and I'll leave the link of this website at the description and also at the first comment. Make sure you go and check it out. Peace out.